Okay, so I just got out the freezer and I don't have any music on so you guys can hear it. So I'm so ready to do this, but I'm nervous at the same time. Oh my gosh, I'm rethinking on my life choices. Am I gonna be made fun of if somebody from my school sees this, or will this actually work? Okay. You guys can make fun of me if the comments are on. So let's go. So it was safe to say that was a fail. Why my hands were so freaking cold? This could even hear it. By the way, I used paper towel, but it's cold. There might be 100%. Actually a 90% chance that I'll be doing this again. Oh my gosh, bro. And now, get out of here. I don't even care no more. Bye.